My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so, just left the drive-thru. Just got me some Chick-fil-A. And now I'm about to head on home, which this is the one part that I'm always dreading because Hollywood traffic is always so bad. Like, especially this part of Hollywood. This is the main part of Hollywood. So it's always hard once I come out the drive-thru, because I go to Chick-fil-A a lot. I love Chick-fil-A. Once I come out of the Chick-fil-A drive-thru, getting like over there, I gotta get over there. It's just gonna be so hard. It's gonna be very difficult to get over there because people gonna let me go make the right. The right is not gonna be an issue. I gotta get over to the left lane once I make the right, and that's not gonna work. But anyway, early review. Y'all know what I'm doing. This should be the second video of the day that y'all should be seeing of this, or the first one, or the third one. I don't know. I'm doing 3 early sneaker reviews, so I don't know which order y'all watching them in, but I hope y'all enjoyed all 3 of them. So, gonna go get y'all this review, this early review. Y'all already, it was a sneaker. Y'all should already know what it is because y'all see what the thumbnail is in the title. So, enjoy that. I will be back after that to give y'all some proper information about the shoe. So, stay tuned. Okay, before we even get started, I gotta say this. The Jordan box right here, with the eyes staring at us with the face, it always creeps me out, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, flip around. We got the Air Jordan 4 Retro Black Fire Red Deep Royal Blue, size 8.5. It is a personal pair, but I'm probably not gonna cop this, only because I don't need any more Jordans, especially Jordan 4s. I have a lot, or I had a lot. Then we got the cement paper too, as you can see. And I just don't need it. That's pretty much it. But it's a good shoe. It's a good shoe, as you're gonna see. So let me set this up. Oh, and he's the Air Jordan 3. Well, wait till the review come out. I'll tell y'all. But all right, put this up here. And we got the Air Jordan 4 Rare Air. Okay, boom. We got the Air Jordan 4 Rare Air. See that Nike Air on the back, the pull tab, white with the blue pull tab. He get his hang tag out right here. Nike Air in that deep royal blue. Same thing on the other shoe too. Midsole got that like that off-white sail type color. If I'm not mistaken, this is Dubuk. Hold on, let me try to get this off. This right here is what I've missed on the 3s. So it's a Velcro little strap. I can't really get it all the way off, but there you go right there. You can flip it upside down because you can tell default it comes already flipped upside down. So that's to add a little spice to it. You feel me? This probably gonna be the thumbnail right here. But on the 3s, I don't know if they had the same little flippable Velcro on the. I know on the back Nike Air was upside down. It's not on one of the shoes. It was. It's not like on this one. But like I said, I don't know if this is material nubuck or suede. Not too sure. Got the blue guts right there. I'm not gonna get this because if you had the Air Jordan 3 Rare Airs, you don't need these. Exact same colorway, and I just don't need another Jordan 4. I'm going to Chicago. This fit going to fit this shoe, but I'm not buying the shoe just for the fit. But quick little review, nothing more. I'm gonna get back to the place my house so I can give y'all some proper information about this shoe, like release date and retail price and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we back at the house. Now I'm gonna give y'all some proper information on the Air Jordan 4 Rare Air. Let me pull this up real quick. It's gonna be from Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It's gonna be up in 3, 2, 1. Should be up right now. Let me try to clear this ad real quick. We'll skip that. All right. So Air Jordan 4 Rare Air releases July 26th. So this is in a couple days. This is the one. I knew out of all the 3 reviews that I did, one of them was was coming up, was kind of soon. And it must be this one right here. So it reads, in 2025, Jordan Brand set to reintroduce a fresh take on the classic with a new Rare Air edition of the Air Jordan 4, featuring its hallmark removable tongue patch for additional distinction. This upcoming release showcases a bold mix of black, fire red, deep royal blue, dark smoke gray, and tech gray tones. The upper is built with black nubuck. I said that. Yeah, black nubuck, complemented by dark gray overlays around the toe area. Blue accents pop on the inner liner, heel tabs, and part of the midsole, adding contrast to the design. One of the standout features is removable tongue patch, which reveals a hidden detail. Just 2% of the pairs will feature gold lettering underneath. Oh, I didn't even think about checking that. Wow, I shoulda. I didn't even think about. I mean, I still wouldn't have bought the shoe. I still wouldn't have bought the shoe, but I didn't even think about checking that. Emphasizing the model's exclusivity. The rest of the stock displays the traditional white branding. The midsole also introduces a vintage age treatment, nodding to the retro sneaker aesthetics. Rounding out the design is Nike Air branding on the heel, staying true to Jordan Brand's heritage. Meanwhile, the packaging also adds nostalgia. Each pair comes in a blacked out version of the Jordan face box, originally seen in the late 90s and early 2000s. Set to release on July 26, 2025, Air Jordan 4 Rare Air will be available at selected Jordan Brand retailers. Fans can purchase it in store, online. The retail price is $220. Yeah. So yeah, $220 is the retail price. July 26th is the release date. There go some more pictures. So yes, just to go back to something that was said in that little description right there. So that is right there, as you can see. Hold up. Get that right there. See that? If you remove the Velcro patch, it's gonna say Jordan Rare Air or something like that. It says Jordan Rare. Yeah, Jordan Rare Air right there. And some of the only 2% is gonna have the gold letter. No, everything else is gonna have the white letter. So you can either get that right there, or you can get that right there. I don't really think that matters. I mean, I understand. Let me close this real quick. I understand that it adds more little rarity to it, but who cares? Like, I feel like down there just reaching to make something more exclusive, whatever like that. I wish I would have took that patch off. It was just so rough. I don't know if you was watching. Sorry, my nose is itching. It was so rough to take that patch off. I already knew about the gold and white, but I just forgot to check for it. I'm mad because what if that pair I had for review was one of the 2%? What's the odds of that? Anyway, y'all let me know if this is a copper drop, y'all. This is a drop for me. I am going to Chicago in September, and I just bought a shirt. It's right there in that, you see the bag on the floor. I just bought a shirt, and it matches this shoe. Like, the colors and everything. It's blue, black. Except for this guy, that shirt got some yellow in it. But instead of wearing that, I'm going to wear the Super Bronze. The Super Bronze 8s or whatever that's based on, like, Superman. I'm going to wear those because it goes more with it. And plus, that shoe has yellow in it, too. But let me know if it's copper drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my secret Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.